Hello, in this video we're going to be learning about playing the first 5 notes on our oboe, which are going to be the first 5 notes of a B flat, a concert B flat scale. So in a previous video I already talked about forming the embouchure on the oboe and making our first sound through crowing. The only thing I'm going to add to this video about that is making sure that we're articulating the beginning of each of our notes, that we're tonguing our notes. So great, let's start learning the fingerings. Well, first let's talk about the positioning on the oboe. So first things first, left hand's going to go on top, right hand on bottom. Your right hand is going to be holding most of the weight of the oboe with your right thumb back here. And your left thumb is going to go over this back key right here, which is the only key on the back. And our left hand, our index finger is going to hang out here, middle, ring, pinky can hang out here. And the right hand, index, middle, ring, we'll have our pinky all the way at this farthest one right here. So it's going to look like this when it's all assembled together. So let's talk about the first note we're going to play on the oboe. The first note we're going to play is B flat. So the fingering for B flat is, and we want to make sure that when we're playing this B flat that there's 2 separate holes on this key we're going to play with our index finger. You can either go all the way, play the whole hole, or you can do half of it and do half the hole where this little key is still showing. So in the beginning we're going to be covering the whole hole. So you have index in the right hand, in the left hand, index and middle in the left hand, and the right hand just index. So 1, 2, and 1. Now, to play C, the next note, we're just going to lift up our middle finger in our left hand, 1 and 1. To play D, our next note, we're going to switch with our index finger to this half of the key, where this is not covered, so half of the hole. Then we're going to add 2 and 3 in the left hand, then 1, 2, and 3 in the right hand. So we have 1 half hole, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Now, to get E flat, we're just going to add this pinky key in the right hand. To get our final note F, we're going to add our thumb key in the left hand in the back. We've taken off the pinky, and in the right hand we're just going to add, or take off the middle finger. So it's thumb, we're also going to switch back to the whole hole. So thumb, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 3. Should sound like this. All together. So we just had B flat, C, D, E flat, and F. So now we know how to play 5 notes on the oboe. Good job.